Guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Discord problem on Temu. You will go to settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above you will search about Temu. Here we go to first stop and you will click OK. Then we click on storage. Here we click on clear cache. After that you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.